Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is boy Sam from Armada Trading here, and today, guys, we're jumping straight into VYNE Therapeutics stock analysis. But before we get into that, guys, I just want to say a massive thank you for the support on this channel lately. It's been absolutely insane, and I cannot thank you guys enough. And if you want to continue that trend, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. And thank you all so much again as a voice on this platform. It's amazing, honestly. Like, I cannot thank you guys enough. So, with that being said, guys, anything I say in this video, please note that I am not a financial advisor, and please take anything I say with a pinch of salt. I'm simply a university student learning about stocks and shares, and I aim to share my knowledge with you guys as I learn it myself. So, VYNE Therapeutics, and why I think it's a potentially good buy opportunity, and why there is a good potential quick flip here. Now, VYNE Therapeutics is a skin company which treats skin conditions such as eczema and skin cancer, and there's always going to be a demand for like dermatologist products because there's always going to be skin conditions around, and there's always going to be a demand needed and a supply needed. So there's always going to be a business here for this company. Now, the shareholder statistics of VYNE Therapeutics, we own currently 71.08%, and 23.36% of that, or 23.36%, is owned by traditional investment. 13.66% is owned by venture capital and private equity funds, and 8.24% is currently owned by hedge funders. And you guys have to remember that these companies, these massive corporately owned companies, they are not going to invest their money stupidly. Their sole purpose is to make money. And when they want to make money, they're going to invest it wisely into companies they believe in. And they always have the inside scoop over us. Like, let's be honest, they always have knowledge that we don't have access to. So that's something that they're always going to have that we don't. So the fact that they're in this company shows it's a good sign and is projected to really grow as a company and essentially make us money as well in the grand scheme of things. So a quick financial analysis of this. So all of their operating income currently comes from the United States, which is always a very strong market and a strong like sort of base for a company. Having a market in the US is always going to open up opportunity. It's the land of opportunity, you know? Like, there's always going to be a good supply there for them. Now, there is also a steady upstream of predictive revenue, which shows that the company currently has a very strong sustainable growth structure. And that is another reason why this company could be a very good buy opportunity, because at the moment, I think this company is very, very undervalued. Now, I'm not sure what you think about this, guys. And if you have any knowledge as to, well, if you have anything that you want to bring up, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to reply to any comments in the comment section. And we can have a little bit of a forum, a little bit of a group discussion about what you think of VYNE Therapeutics and what you think they're going to do and how they're going to be projected in the future as a company. Now, I should make this clear as well, that their current Q4 earnings should be released on the 3rd of March, which is a very, very good thing. And I should also state as well that they're currently up, where is it? So their earnings per share was up 78.57% from Q2. So they have shown consistent growth as a company, and their share prices have sort of correlated with that trend. Now, a quick graphical analysis of VYNE Therapeutics. Now, their current graph is in a very bearish formation, and it will break out of this formation at some point, very similar to the GEVO video. If you didn't watch that, feel free to watch it. But I predicted it exactly correct. It was in a downward canal, and I said as soon as it breaks out of that canal, it's going to go up. Now, this is more in a bearish flag as it's going down. However, if it breaks out of that bearish flag, I think it could go up or it could level out. But I generally think there's a lot of potential growth for this company. And if we do a quick yearly analysis as well, whoa. Okay, so you can see this company, when it first started off, traded at $159 per share, which is insane. Look how much it's lowered its share price to where we are at now. this is another factor as to why I think this company could be a very good long-term buy as well as short-term, because it showed signs of it being at the very top of its game. And now it's sort of come down. There's only room to grow as a company. And I think their financial report itself is actually in a very strong position to replicate that. Now, I don't think it's going to happen overnight, obviously. Like, there's always going to be some form of some defining factor that will eventually make it grow, but I'm saying a price target on this for next year at around, with all the statistics I have, around $20 per share. Now, you may think that's bold of me, and you may think, what the hell is he talking about? But with all the facts that I have available and all of the stats of them trying to grow and them showing consistent growth as a company, I generally think this company could really grow, especially post-COVID, because a lot of people aren't actually getting treatment for skin conditions, because a lot of people are scared to go into hospitals. They're scared to go into surgeries. They're scared to be treated in hospitals because they don't want to get COVID-19. And I think this is also a very big factor as to why this company has been underperforming this year. Now, they are doing better than they were last year, but I still think that there is a lot of room for this company to grow. And I want to know your thoughts in the comments below. So please do let me know about this and what you think of this potential growth. Now, I think short term, this company, let's have a quick look at the graph, right? And let's zoom out a little bit. So I think this company right here, if it breaks out of this bullish flag that I've drawn here, like as you see, it will meet at a point down the bottom. I think that this company could go back up to around the $11 mark because it's shown consistent down, up, down, up, down, up, and there is seeing a massive downward trend. And as you guys know, every negative reaction on the market, there has to be an equally positive reaction. And I generally think we're almost at the bottom of this downward trend, and I think it's only going to go up from here. Now, like I said, please let me know in the comments what you think of this, and please remember to hit a like button if you think that my analysis was good for this company. So thank you all for watching. This has been boy Sam from Armada Trading. Please remember to hit a like button and subscribe if you're new, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video on the channel in a bit, guys.